Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access Additional Settings. Now select Keyboard and Input Method. Click on Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to Keyboarders to turn it off or on, and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage Keyboarders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!